Don't waste your screen time. Turn it into cash with these 4 totally free apps for beginners no matter where you are from. So the 4th app in our list is Free Cash. Create a completely free account and start making money today. This is the interface of the Free Cash. It provides multiple ways to make money online. You can make money by playing games. Select a game you are interested in and play. The more you play the game, the more money you will earn. You can also make money by testing apps and completing simple tasks. You can withdraw your earnings through PayPal, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, and even gift cards. You can also make money through referrals. You get 5% commission on your friend earnings. Let's move towards the 3rd app in our list. Want to earn real Bitcoin just by tapping your screen? Sounds crazy, right? But it's actually possible with this app. The app is called Bitcoin Hit. It's a free-to-use Android game where all you do is tap, pop coins, and complete simple tasks to earn points. These points, called coins, can later be exchanged for real Bitcoin straight to your crypto wallet. So if you are already scrolling, why not turn those taps into satoshis? Download Bitcoin Hit and start earning today. The 2nd app in our list is Heycash. Create a completely free account by entering your email. This app provides multiple ways to make money. You can make money by playing games, select the game and play. The more you play, the more money you will earn. You can also make money through completing simple surveys. You can also make money through referrals. So what are you waiting for? Play the game and earn some extra cash in your free time.